Hello everyone. We are going to continue about the topic that is related with that of theraps of uterine fibroid. We have seen about the role of calcarea cup in the case of uterine fibroid. Now we are going to see about the remedy that is calcarea fluor. So as we know that calcarea fluor, the fluor element leads to the thermals of this patient stored to the hot, and this remedy it is used it acts on the mostly of the elasticity of the smooth muscles and remove hard tumors of any smooth muscles wherever if there is a case may be used in case of fibroadenoma which is of hard stool. Again, wherever the is pathology, it leads to the hardness. If it is to the this one breast, it leads to the stony growth which is of hardness, and if it is to the also uterine fibroid, it leads to the hard stony growth. That is related with that of calcarea fluor. That is the pathology what we say that. And as we know that all calcareas are the obese one, only calcarea fos is that is green thing as compared to that of other calcareas. Calcarea fluor is also obese person, that is from the constitution point of view. Then next one is thermals point, as I already it is the hot remedy. Then miasm point of view it covers like that of psychotic miasms, and uterus being a smooth muscle organ is a main target of action of this remedy. If uterine fibroids are of stony hardness and there are indurated swelling in the uterine region, this remedy is highly recommended for treatment of uterine fibroids. Moreover, if uterine fibroid with the wearing down sensation, if it is present, if there is a uterine fibroid with stony growth along with that of wearing down sensation, we can think about this remedy, that is the calcarea fluor remedy. Then that is how the image of what we the core of this is, that is hard and large in size, that is the fibroid, and how we can say the shape of and the face of this calcarea fluor, that is the that is cone shaped raised lines what we say that, then diamond shaped raised lines, brownish black coloring, blue lips that is present over here, reflective shininess on the skin, small white scales are present, cracked lips are cracks, and translucent tips of teeth. And again, if you see from the mentor's point of view, this calcarea fluor, whether it is a female, they are more interested in the business, and they have unnecessary fear of that they lose some money. That is from the mind point of view. So how do you think about the thermals point of view, constitution point of view, and the pathological point of view remedy? That is thermally hot, constitution point of view, that is the lips are dry. Then the obese again from the calcarea group, it is the obese one. Next one, it is the pathology point of view, hard stony, and the tumor it is of big size, that we have to remember about the calcarea fluor. Next what we are going to see, that is the Thalassi bursa pectoris remedy. So that there is no any specific as such how is the look wise the constitution of the patient is, but what we say that the characteristics it acts on the uterine level, uterine muscles, menses. So what is the characteristics of this female? They appear frequently at short intervals. Frequency, menses presenting with that of large clots and dark blood. So if we see in the calcarea cup, what we see that in the calcarea cup the menses appear the early, quantity wise it is the profuse one, that is in the calcarea cup. But what we see in the Thalassi bursa, that whatever the frequency of the menses it is frequently and the duration it is short. So sometimes female patient explain that menses of every some 21 days, then we can think about the Thalassi bursa along with that of large clots and the color of the blood. If it is dark one, then we can think about this remedy. Next, that is patient has barely recovered from one period and the next appears and severe cramping in the uterus. So that what we see with this female girl, that is she is having severe pain during the menses, and patient says that ki, just I have finished the menses just 10 days or 15 days or 21 days, and immediately again the next menses appears, and if along with that of some fibroid is there and having the severe cramping pains during the menses in the uterus, then we can think about the remedy that is called as Thalapsy bursa. Next remedy what we are going to see about that is continuation. This particular medicine is for women who face menstruation period at short frequent interval. That is most important. Frequency, that is clinically we can think about the polymenorrhea. Then it may also happen that the patient has not yet overcome the already over periods, and again and again just finish one menses and again the second appears, then we can think about it. Then uh, this leads in a lot of severe pain and cramps in the uterus as well as at the back. That is the pain that is along with the dysmenorrhea, and pain where it is present at the uterus lower and at the back region. For such issues, if there are problems, we can think about the Thalapsy bursa remedy. And along with that, there is some additional symptoms, that is clinical we think about the metrorrhagia. Metro, that is irregular cycle. Metrorrhagia, that is excessive bleeding. Too frequent and copious menses. Copious means quantity is less. Copious profuse, quantities profuse hemorrhage with violent uterine colic. Every alternate period, very profuse. Then leukorrhea. How is the leukorrhea? Before and after the menses, that is characteristics what we can say in this. Bloody, dark, offensive, stents in delivery, and sore pain in womb on rising. When patient wake up, then there is a typical sore pain in the uterus and scarcely recovers from one period before another begins. That is continuously one after another, frequency of the menses is more. So next what we are going to see about the trillium pendulum. So trillium pendulum, it is excessive bleeding associated with fainting spells. Means what happened that every remedy that what we have seen previously, calcarea cup we think about, or Thalapsy bursa, that what we have seen in the previous one. But in trillium pendulum, it's so much of profuse bleeding is there that patients faints, that get fainting about it. Syncope. Menses, how is the color of the menses? It is bright red. In previous one, Thalapsy bursa, it is not that one. Then menses profuse, that is everywhere, every 2 weeks, lasting for a week or even a longer. That is the characteristics of trillium pendulum. And this remedy climaxes flow every 2 weeks, fainting, dim sight, palpitation, obstruction, and noise in ears. These characteristics we do not get in the previous one. That is, it acts on the climaxes that is related with that of age group of below, before and after the 45 years, that is before and after the menopause is there. And along with that, there is a fainting, there is some deep sight, not able to see properly. Then palpitation is there. Palpitation is also in the calcarea cup. But when the calcarea cup is having the palpitation, if they heard something new, bad news, then it leads to the palpitation. But otherwise, it does not have the palpitation. And obstruction and noise in the ears. That is the characteristic which is not present in the previous one. Next one is that is what we are going to show. There are many cases when other things such as the amount of blood and the frequency of the menstruation period may remain proper, but the patient may face some other unusual problems. Then the medicine trillium pendulum is prescribed to patients who face a smelly menstruation discharge. Characteristics, that is smelling, that is offensive discharge, not that much in calcarea cup, not that much in the Thalapsy bursa, calcarea fluid, it is not that much. Then we can think about the this one, trillium pendulum. Next, that is Fraxinus americana. What is Fraxinus americana? This is a remedy which is used when the patient is anemic and there is a lack of nutrition, that we can think about it. Or this remedy is also where there is excessive bearing down sensation. Okay, that is something coming. Fraxinus americana is used for the all complaints of the uterus. It may be uterine prolapse or it may be uterine fibroid. Rather than this is called as a medicinal pessary. That is that much of role of this medicine on the uterus. All complaints of the uterus you can think about the Fraxinus americana. And along with that there is a excessive bearing down sensation. Then cramps in fit with menstrual bleeding. Cramps characteristics which is not present in other remedies. Cramps, then we can think about the Fraxinus americana. And how is the patient look wise? We have seen the calcarea cramp, we have seen the calcarea fluid. So constitution, if you want to see it, commonly it is present in the calcarea. I have already explained it is of more of teddy bear structure, very rounded structure. Calcarea fluid is also obese person, but something froze on the head and the dry lips, loose lips. That is what we see in the calcarea fluid remedy. But this remedy, there is anemia and lack of nutrition. So female is not that much. Most of the times it is some lean type of the characters we can present of that skin. It is not that much of glowing because anemic patient and lack of nutrition is there. Then we can think about the Fraxinus americana and if there is a presence of uterine fibroid. So this particular medicine is rarely prescribed because it is for patients with rare symptoms of uterine fibroids. There are some rare cases when the patient will feel sensation during the passage of the menstrual flow. This may get accompanied by the cramps in the fit. Then we are thinking about the remedy, that is Fraxinus americana. So these are the remedies, that is when we are going to explain about the theraps part of it. If possible, in remedies, to write it about the constitution, then write it about the constitution, temperament, miasm, which miasm it covers. Thermals, we have to write it if it is any causative factor, but if there is more specific, what is the characteristics of that remedy, how is the menses, how is the leukorrhea, menses, and modalities in specific. That is related with that of theraps of uterine fibroid. Thank you.